Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monzo, the popular digital bank. I've been using Monzo for a few years now, and I've been really happy with it. I think it's a great option for people who are looking for a simple and affordable way to manage their money. But recently, I've seen a lot of people online asking if Monzo is still working. I've also seen some reports of technical problems with the app. So, I wanted to take some time to investigate and see if there are any issues with Monzo right now. I've also spoken to some of my friends who use Monzo, and they've all had positive experiences. So, I think it's safe to say that Monzo is still a great option for most people. However, it's always a good idea to be aware of any potential problems before you sign up for a new bank account. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is Monzo? What are the benefits of using Monzo? What are the potential problems with Monzo? Is Monzo still a good option for me? What is Monzo? Monzo is a digital bank that was founded in the UK in 2015. It's now available in the UK, Europe, and the US. Monzo offers a variety of banking products and services, including a current account, a prepaid card, savings pots, overdrafts, travel money, business banking. Monzo is a mobile-first bank, which means that you can access your account and manage your money from your phone. What are the benefits of using Monzo? There are a number of benefits to using Monzo, including it's free to join. You can open an account in minutes. You can manage your money from your phone. You can get a free debit card. You can set up savings pots. You can get overdrafts. You can travel with Monzo. You can get cashback on your purchases. You can get interest on your savings. You can get insurance. What are the potential problems with Monzo? There are a few potential problems with Monzo, including technical problems. Monzo is a relatively new bank, and it's still experiencing some technical problems. This can be frustrating for users, especially if they're trying to access their money or make a payment. Limited customer support. Monzo doesn't have as many customer support options as traditional banks. This can be a problem if you need help with something. Not available in all countries. Monzo is not available in all countries. If you live in a country where Monzo is not available, you won't be able to use it. Not as widely accepted as traditional banks. Monzo is not as widely accepted as traditional banks. This can be a problem if you're trying to use your Monzo card to make a payment. Is Monzo still a good option for me? Overall, I think Monzo is still a great option for most people. It's a simple and affordable way to manage your money. However, it's important to be aware of the potential problems before you sign up for a Monzo account. If you're considering using Monzo, I recommend that you do some research and read reviews from other users. In this video, I've discussed the pros and cons of using Monzo. I think it's a great option for most people, but it's important to be aware of the potential problems before you sign up for an account. If you have any questions about Monzo, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time.